here come the excuses. It's standard time, we said we'd meet at 9. Set things right by the first round.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So it is Crystal and we are on a family vacation in South Padre. Hey, we got here last night. I recorded a video of this whole condo. Now we are making breakfast. My mom has the pancakes, eggs, bacon, and I'm about to start on the biscuits. But let me show y'all the view.
Place, dispatch you from a race. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face.
Hey y'all, so we all went to sleep for like hours, and now we're all dressed for dinner. This is the dinner fit. Jewel, I did her hair. She looks so cute. We're going to the restaurant that's dog friendly. Let's go get my dad. You ready? Since everything closes at 9 and 9:30, we have to leave. It's only like 7:50 and we're going to dinner. And I know that's normal for some people, but not for this household. We eat dinner like 10:30. We ate a dinner at 11:30 last night. So, I know it's probably not the healthiest thing, but that's us. Okay, we're running up the house. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Okay, so we made it to the restaurant. And I'm walking Capri. She's really picky of where she uses the restroom. So this is our second or third patch of grass we've tried. This is the restaurant that we're going to. Right there. And there's another one across the street if we change our mind, but we only have about 45 minutes.
From the 80s, someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road. Across the road. Lost and in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further.
Hey y'all, so we're about to go parasailing. Capri is right here, and she's gonna stay with my parents while we go up, and then I'm gonna record on the GoPro. Hey y'all, that's Jewel, the extra one. This is our ticket, $3.30. It is currently like $3.20, and we have to go out there. So let's go. Okay, so we just got our tent and our chairs. Capri is in the shade, and we're about to go parasailing because we're about to be late. So we'll see y'all later. Oh wait, we'll see y'all on the GoPro. Hey, camera light is on. We're ready to go.
90% excited, 10% nervous. I've done this before though.
Yeah, we've done this before. So hopefully it goes well. We're walking and Jewel is holding on for dear life. We're walking to this thing right here. Okay, we're on the boat now. You ready?
Yes.
Baby shampoo, and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up to
Going up!
crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. On the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. But do you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day? We should buy some golden handcuffs and throw away the K and march ourselves right into cages in the prison of...
We just finished. Jewel, how was it?
It was good. It was so good. Look, it's a
It was
wedding.
fun. Look, they do weddings. It's really crowded though. She said no. So she does not like the water. It's okay though, because we're just chilling on our little bed. She does though like the sand. She tries to eat it. Capri! Breezy! Breezy! Hey Capri! Come over here.
Bruh.
Snack break. Breezy. Capri. She's acting like I be bothering her. Girl, I'm just trying to say hey. So I went in the water and it felt good. She did not come with me, but it's okay.
You need to finish taking my pictures.